Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see the unboxing of HP Ink Tank Wireless 415 printer. Also we are going to see how to refill the ink tank, and also we are going to see the installation of the cartridges, both black and color cartridges. So the box contains the printer itself and a user manual and a cover if you want to resend the printer back to the supplier, and the power cord, and then a USB cable for connecting it to any laptop or a desktop. And it comes with two cartridge, one for black and one for color. It comes with four ink cartridges, one for black and three color cartridges, one in each cyan, magenta and yellow. Just remove all the paper covers and the brown cardboard which is inside the cartridge layer. Now let's see how to refill the ink tank. So let's start with the black ink. I'm opening the bottle, a black ink bottle. So remove the top cover and open the black ink cover, and you just need to remove the paper sticker there from the bottle and just tilt it upside down into the tank. So black ink comes with a little more quantity than the tank, so you need to watch out for the line, and once the line reaches, remove the bottle. For other colors, it exactly fills the tank, so you need not to worry about whether it's going to spill out. You can just leave it until it's completely fill out the tank. Once it's filled out, you just remove the bottle and then close the cap. So now the inks are refilled, black and all the three color inks are refilled. So now we are going to install the cartridge. So you get two cartridge, one for black and one for color. The black cartridge has one hole, and the color cartridge has three holes. So once you open the cartridge compartment, you just need to switch on the printer. So once you switch on the printer, it's going to the cartridge portion is going to move out and come and stop at the center. Just press the blue color the piece of thing, just remove it, remove the orange one. Once you remove, you get the slot for the black and color cartridge. So black cartridge will have only one opening at the top, and the color will have three openings at the top. So just gently press inside the cartridge box. Once it is inserted firmly, just close the cartridge compartment. And down, just open the output tray, and on the top just lift the back panel for inserting the papers, and the blue color stopper, you just need to adjust it so that it fits the paper. So I'm using A4 size paper, so I need to adjust slightly on the outer side, so the A4 size paper gets into the input tray. I'm trying to give a Xerox copy of a color sheet. So place the paper in the right bottom corner, and then there are two buttons available here, one for color, one for black. I'm pressing the color one. Approximately it takes 12 to 15 seconds to get one color printout, one page of color printout. So printout quality is good, so no doubt about it. And once you complete with the printing work, you can just close the input tray. Thanks for watching this video.